No, the package did not come with the label looking this messy. It was just me attempting to rip it off before filming this video, but I failed, so I'm not even going to bother just trying to get stuff neatly. Instead, I'm just going to go like, and just tear it off. Let's cut right into this. So here we have a big block of styrofoam, and I think that's kind of unusual, because normally you don't just get your goods in a big block of styrofoam like this. Like, what? Whatever. It is what it is. So let's just. Actually, this is really weird. How would I get into this actually? Okay, actually, yeah, that's how I do it. Just take my scissors. It's awfully dark here. Where did I put my light? Alright. There we go, that's better. Fail. Seriously, major fail. Okay. Oh, that's what this is. I was kind of thinking this was the bottom bezel for my BlackBerry, but it's not. Instead, it's the back shelf for my Nokia Lumia. Actually, no, not Nokia Lumia. Microsoft Lumia 950 XL. I mean, yes, Nokia did make the design and all, but it does not have that branding. Okay. I was wondering what this was. Alright, so let's take a closer look at this. It's quite a shame I don't have the phone with me at the moment. In fact, it looks like the seller, I don't even know if I'm going to get it at this rate, because the seller, it seems like he probably didn't actually even ship the phone, because yesterday or 2 days ago, I noticed that he's selling another phone that has the exact same description, only this phone has a cracked screen. So yikes. I'm probably just gonna have to wait for eBay to maybe step in, possibly give me a refund, and then I'll probably just have to buy my Lumia 950 XL for somebody else. I don't know, who knows, maybe it might even come within 30 minutes after filming this, maybe not, maybe it might come tomorrow, I'll just have to see. This looks 100% genuine. You can see like the coils and all for wireless charging, Qi, NFC, etc, etc. So that's cool. What's not cool is that dodgy seller. Did I say seller? I meant to say seller. Whatever. I'm out. But before I end this video, I want to make it bright. Okay, there we go. Yes. That's what it should have looked like the whole time, but it did not, because my light did not want to cooperate. Oh, it's actually quite reflective too.